The new visualizer allows you to explore datasets visually and interactively by using Axcelerate front-end analytics features. The visualizer is a part of the analysis page and displays results using configurable smart filter charts on a dashboard instead of a list. This helps to visually drill down to hot documents and understand interdependencies within metadata. The visualizer can display bar charts and pie charts to display smart filter counts and predictive scores, date range histograms to display date field counts, dependency wheels to display connections between smart filters, such as sender domain versus recipient domain. To open Visualizer, from the Analysis page, click the arrow button next to Results List View and select Visualizer. Click on an item in any chart. This applies the underlying smart filter and adds it to the current criteria panel. All charts that you see are automatically updated according to the current criteria. The documents in the Results List view are also updated. Point to the bars and slices in a chart to see additional information about the data displayed. To maximize a chart, click the Maximize button. To see the full content of all charts, clear the current criteria. Click the arrow button next to the chart name to select a different smart filter for the particular chart. To change the chart type that displays, click the Settings button on the chart and select the chart type. The chart types that are available are bar charts. Bar charts display smart filter counts or predictive scores in vertical or horizontal bars. Pie charts display the smart filter counts or predictive scores as sections of a pie. Date rate histogram displays document distribution across a date range in a bar chart. A dependency wheel displays the connection between smart filters, usually communication smart filters such as sender domain and recipient domain. If you want to view predictive filtering scores for multiple smart filters at a time, run Predictive Filtering in the Visualizer. Predictive Filtering predicts which smart filter values are most likely associated with relevant documents. It expresses these predictions as percentages, which you can see in bar charts and pie charts. However, predictive filtering cannot be shown in date range charts. To enable predictive filtering for Visualizer, from the top of the Visualizer panel, select Run Predictive Filtering. In the Predictive Filtering dialog box, select a field from the Predicted Field list. Here we will leave the Responsiveness field selected. Select a value from the Predicted Values list. Here we will leave the responsive value selected. Click Save. The toolbar displays the predictive filtering settings, and the charts are updated based on these settings. The green and red bars indicate that predictive filtering is turned on, and if you hover over any of these bars, you receive additional information about that filtering. If you see predictive scores in some bar and pie charts only, you may have set a bar chart to sort by count or by name. Click the Settings button and make sure the sort is set by default in order to enable the visual predictive filtering for that chart. To disable predictive filtering, click the Disable toggle on the toolbar. And here we can see predictive filtering has now been disabled.